Hello USL and everyone watching this video. I am Nadine Alyssa Umengan, currently pursuing my master's degree at the School of Economics here in University of the Philippines Diliman, and I am also serving as a teaching fellow in the same school. I am an ABM graduate from the University of St. Louis Batch 2019. I do believe that many could relate that growing up in the province, I was one of those students with big dreams who decided to pursue my studies in the city, and choosing USL for my senior high school journey was without a doubt one of the decisions that I am very grateful and proud of. Can you share specific experiences or lessons from your time in the ABM strand? There's really a lot of notable experiences that I can give you during my senior high school years, but in general, the highlight of my journey in the ABM strand was how it pushed me to think outside the box. So from learning how to be creative, articulate in expressing my ideas, to developing a sense of confidence when it comes to communicating with others, the ABM really shaped my mindset. So I vividly remember in our entrepreneurship project or subject, I think my professors that time are Sir Surla and Sir Mosel, where we were tasked to conceptualize a product, analyze its demand, and strategize how to market it. It wasn't just about learning theories, it was about how you apply them through advertisement videos, packaging, and also teamwork. How did the ABM strand contribute to your personal and academic growth? So the ABM strand opened my eyes to a lot of opportunities. It taught me not to limit my potential and to always open to new possibilities. So through ABM, I was introduced to fields like accounting, business, entrepreneurship, and my chosen field right now, which is economics, all of which laid a very solid foundation for my academic and professional growth. What were your notable achievements or experiences during senior high school? So one of the most memorable experiences was when we worked as a team to create a standout advertisement for our product. So I really remember that this is an activity that is very fun, and the students are really putting a lot of effort and very competitive. And what is more interesting is that the creativity of the ABM students that you could really witness through this outside the classroom activities and their cooking skills, the video, and even leadership. So it was during this project that I learned how powerful collaboration could be. How did these accomplishments shape your path post-graduation? These experiences left a really unforgettable memory in my journey. While I didn't initially plan to major in economics, the skills and the lessons I gained from the ABM strand gave me a very competitive edge. So whether it was the strategic thinking, problem solving, or presenting ideas effectively, these foundational experiences continue to serve me well as I navigate through my academic and professional endeavors. How did your ABM background prepare you for success in your chosen field? The ABM strand prepared me by instilling a sense of adaptability and problem-solving mindset. So economics, much like business, requires analyzing situations, identifying solutions, and making decisions. So these are skills that I learned during my time as an ABM student. What skills or knowledge from the ABM strand do you find most valuable in your current endeavors? So I'd say that the most valuable skills are critical thinking, really, effective communication, and collaboration. So in economics, the ability to analyze data and interpret trends is, yes, very important, but being able to communicate them is what makes a difference. So these were things that I first encountered as an ABM student and have carried with me ever since. What advice would you give to current ABM students in senior high school who are considering similar career paths? My advice is that dream big and stay curious. So the world is full of the opportunities, and the ABM strand would give you a very strong starting point. So embrace every project, every assignment, every activity, every challenge as a chance to learn and grow during your senior high school year. And remember that your senior high school journey is the beginning of something bigger or something greater. So consider it as a stepping stone to your future success. So, any final thoughts or words of encouragement for those navigating their educational and career journeys? So, to all current and aspiring ABM students out there, our country has a growing need for skilled accountants, entrepreneurs, educators, and economists. And remember that the most important step right now is to believe in your potential and you work to maximize it. So give your best in everything that you do, carry yourself with confidence, and stay humble as you continue to learn and navigate the world. So your dedication and perseverance will not only shape your future but also contribute to the progress of this economy. So thank you, USL, for being the foundation of my growth, and to the next generation of the ABM students, this is your time. Make every decision count. Thank you.